Now we're going to be working in 8.3. I highly recommend that you watch the videos that I did not make from Simple Learning Pro that are on this playlist for Chapter 8. They will really help you understand what's going on with this standard normal curve. But I'm going to explain this as if you have already watched it. Okay, so in our standard normal curve, we always have a mean at 0, and the numbers along this horizontal axis are our z-scores. Okay, so in this problem, they're telling us they want to know what's the area under the curve to the left of this z-score. Okay, so how I know where to put the z-score is it's a positive number, so that means I know it's going to be to the positive side of 0. And it doesn't really matter where I put it, just as long as I get it to the correct side of 0. Now it's asking me for the area under the curve to the left of this value. Okay, so this is where you're going to be using one of these tables that I sent you in an email. And it's a weird little table. It'll take you a little time to get used to it. But what you're looking at is this left-hand column is your z-score. It's part of your z-score. And then this top is also part of your z-score. All these little numbers in here are our probabilities. Okay, so in this problem, they gave us a z-score of 1.97. So this is how we would find it. Looking down here until we get to 1.9, and then coming across the top until we get to 0.07, and then we're going to go until those two meet. See how it says 0.9756? That's the area under the curve. We looked up the z-score, and then we could find the area to the left of that z-score. These that are looking for the area to the left of a z-score, these are the simplest type of problems. You just need to think about where your z-score goes. This is positive, so it goes to the positive side of the 0. Then you're wanting to know the area for all of this to the left of your z-score. You're going to get your table. This is your table B. You're going to look for your z-score of 1.72. Here's 1.7. And then up here is the 0.02. So we're going to see where these things come together at 0.9573. That's the area under the curve to the left of this z-score. Okay, one more example like this. It is slightly different. This time they want to know the area to the left of a negative z. Okay, so, excuse me, negative 1.82 is going to be on the negative side of 0. So we're looking for the area to the left of this, negative 1.82. This time you're going to use table A. See how it has negative z-scores? We're looking for negative 1.82. So here's negative 1.8, and here's the 0.02. So we're going to see where those meet at 0.0344. That's the area under the curve to the left of this z-score.